If you're like me, you probably spend many hours in your chair, working, editing, gaming, or just trying to stay focused. And honestly, I used to think my old chair would do the trick until my back started telling me otherwise.
So I've been trying out different ergonomic chairs, and this one right here, the Welax S9, this has to be the best one I've sat in all year round.
One of my favorite features, check this out. This lever right here gives you total control with just a push or pull. Push it forwards and the seat slides forwards or back. You get 8 positions to choose from. Pull it back and now the backrest reclines. You've got 3 solid angles, 105, 116, and 130. And if you push it up or down, you raise or lower the seat, and it neatly tucks under the desk. It's like a one-touch cockpit for comfort. These armrests aren't just adjustable, they're super smart. They flip up, rotate 360 degrees, go up and down, slide forward and back, and when you recline, they move with you, so your arms stay supported the whole time. That means no shoulder tension when you're leaning back, watching videos, or sitting upright. You've even got preset angles for office, conference, and chill modes. The adjustable armrests are fantastic. Simply click up the button and it goes all the way down. Makes it very easy and nice for office mode. Simply slide it under your desk. When you play the game with the controller, your arms stay comfortable. Even if you are lying back in a chair, you can adjust the armrest to keep yourself in a comfortable state. Let's talk material. This isn't fake leather or cheap mesh. It's German engineered suede with 3D knit structure. So it's breathable and soft. Even after hours of sitting, I've used it on hot days, long editing sessions, and it never gets sticky or sweaty. The wheels in this thing are super quiet, like library quiet. You can even move around your house at night without waking anyone or scaring your dog, and they don't leave scuffs on hardwood floors. Dual glide, smooth movement, no squeaking. The base is aluminum, not plastic, so it distributes weight evenly, feels very sturdy, and just looks more premium overall. The lumbar support kind of molds to your back. It actually moves with you, which is great for long sessions. And the backrest itself gently curves along with your spine. The headrest is 3D adjustable and has little tiny pressure relief zones that hit just the right spot when you lean back. Now this is where it gets really cool. The footrest slides out with one touch. Super smooth, no clicking or noise. Combine that with a back recline and you're in full-on zero gravity mode. It actually feels like a nap pod. I've used this after lunch more times than I like to admit. I've used a few other ergonomic chairs before, but the Welax S9 just feels more refined. The adjustability is smoother, the materials are higher quality, and everything works together to reduce pressure on your neck, back, and arms. It's not just about looking good, it's about lasting comfort. So if you're in the market for a high-end ergonomic chair that actually supports your body and your workflow, check out the Welax S9. There's a link below in the bio. You get free shipping and a 30-day free return policy and a 10-year warranty, which is almost unheard of. Honestly, for the price and the comfort, this one's hard to beat. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you're sitting on these days. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more gear reviews just like this one.